Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Goldie here, and today I'm going to be giving you a fidget haul and rating, ranking type of thing. So let's do it. First we're going to do my puppets. I'm scared I'm trying to show my face. Anyways, first I've got this super cute dog puppet, and it's just super cute, and it's rainbow and everything. Super lovely. Next we've got this puppet. This one sounds so good and it's so satisfying, and I I just love it. Listen, so satisfying. Okay, and then finally for my puppets, I do have some others, but I lost them. I have this unicorn puppet. It's so big. Some of them don't actually stay down, like that one. But it's still so big and so nice. It's so amazing. Next is I'll just say slinkies. I don't know. So I've got this slinky. There are a lot of mini ones. I had one big one, but it got super tangled. So I've got this mini one. And I think this is the only other one. I've got this heart one, and it's so cute. Okay, my slinkies. Okay, next I'll do stretchy things. I don't know, I only have 2 of them. I used to have 3, but I lost one. First I've got this purple one. It's kind of weird, but it's like a centipede. Yeah, except all the legs have come off. And it's really dirty. Next is this, I don't know what it is. It's a Nido thingy jingy, and I literally love it so much. It's fidgety and so amazing. Next, fidget spinners. I've got this purple one, and I've got this black one, and I also have a blue one somewhere. This one, I'm pretty sure it's a light up, fidgets and a battery or something like that. Oh, squishies. Oh yeah, okay. Next up is squishies. I've got this squishy. This is my only squishy. It's literally breaking, and it's a pen squishy. So nice. I'm gonna add some glue there. Next is this is my favorite squishy because it's my favorite animal. Wait, did I say this was my favorite squishy? I don't know. This is my real squishy. This is my favorite because it's my favorite animal, and it's so funny. Okay. Next I did a bit of a clean, so some of them are actually gone, but yeah. Next I've got this Australia squishy. So nice. And it's so squishy. Okay, next I've got these mini squishies. I've got this panda one. Got this turtle. I'm missing some. Turtle. A little pig. And then I have one more. It's just a bunny. It's still in the bag, so it can be a type of squishy, but it's kind of not. Next is bouncy balls. I don't know, but I have 3 of them. So pink, blue, it's really bigger. And then the next one is, oh wait, I forgot 2 squishies. They're these fidgety squishy things that can go on pens. There's this one. This one I actually named it. It's Bingo, Bingo from Bluey. Next up is games. So when I mean games, stuff you can play with, but it's fidgety. This one it's from a sale, so it's kind of broken, but it's still fun, you know. It's really broken now. What happened? Okay, well, it's really broken. One thing came out too fast. Anyways, next we've got this like game where you have to like you shuffle it around. Oh dang it! And then you have to like move it all back to its circles. Super fun. This one I don't know what it is. It's really old. My sisters, my big sisters, and like yeah, I don't know what to do with it. It's just fidgety. And it was supposed to be a game. I don't know. Oh, we got this game. This game is so fun. You have to like get these little circles into these lines. That's all the games. Now it's just random stuff. We've got this. I feel like this is one of the iconic ones. This one, I would make the full sound, but my mum will probably get angry. I've got this random one, but it's kind of fidgety. I also had a bracelet, but like I gave that to my friend just because why not? But I've got this. Putty. This putty is literally the best putty on earth. It's literally so good. You have to knead it a bit, but it is the most bestest, amazingest thing on earth. And like I always bring it to my netball camps. Like I don't know why, I just do because like everyone in my netball team loves them. Oh, I found another squishy. This one my cousins just left at my house, so I just kept it. I think it's a Nido, guys. My one and only Nido. It might not be, so if it isn't, please do not hate. And then I've got another one. This one is Hyper Shine, and it like changes its color in the sun with heat, I think. Yeah, that's at least what it is. And it's a bouncy putty, so like if you roll it into a ball and you bounce it, it'll bounce and so fun. I had another one that's like clear, but that got so dirty and I lost it. I don't know where it went. I feel like I still have it somewhere. These are really old. They're my sister's. My sister's old. Okay guys, so that is everything I'd say, but I'm gonna tell you my least favorite and my favorite thing, and there's like multiple favorites. Least favorite, this guy. Don't know what it is, but I'm keeping it because like why not? Favorite, this squishy, this squishy, this squishy, this squishy. This. Sorry, I cannot decide favorites. Anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna show you my true favorites. This. Okay, mainly all the squishies, okay? Don't let me choose for my squishies. The putty, both of the putties. Putty. This and this. Those are my favorites, guys, and have a great day. And I'm so sorry I didn't post yesterday. If I don't post, it's not because I forgot about you guys. It's just because, like, I can't think of anything to post about. Like, I can't think of stuff to do. And also because I'm getting really lazy. So, yeah, I might do a study with me. It's not study, homework. Do homework with me. It's kind of boring, though. Anyways, so, like this video if you would like to have a fast forward of me doing like a Lego thing or like an ASMR video. Okay, anyways, I'm getting ideas and I don't want to spoil any videos for you. So see you guys tomorrow or the next day. Depends. I'll try tomorrow. Okay, guys. Bye.